Thank you, Sir DMTV Macau. Good morning, mega love shout out. Brother Ricky, good morning, mega love shout out. Thank you sa inyong lahat. My friend TV, good morning. Ayan, mag-e-end na po ako ng live. 2 minutes na lang, guys. Yeah, 2 minutes na lang po mag-end na ako ng lives. Thank you, Sir DM and Brother Ricky, Ma'am Yuen. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow again, guys, for my next live, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So, wala nyo sawang suporta, guys. Thank you. Happy Sunday, everyone. And happy Sunday. Blessed Sunday, everyone. It's Family Day. Yan. Thank you so much. Sa inyong lahat, sa lahat na napatamsak na 36, thank you so much. And also lahat ng tumambay dyan. Pops Print, thank you TV. My friend TV, Sir DM, my brother Ricky Official, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa wala niyong sawang suporta. Yan. Mag-support na lang po ako sa lahat ng live mamaya through my data, guys. May lakad pa po ako today. Thank you so much. See you.